staying with Mr. Beast, but this is Lion. Pokemon, gotta catch them all. See you sometime. See how it's you guys will never see me ever again. I'm just joking. It's still my time now, but Mr. Beast, what were you saying?
Yeah, it's Mr. Beast here. Yeah. Oh, so try to get him to 1 million subscribers until tomorrow. I'll give all my fans $1 million to subscribe. And Mr. Beast, stop playing with me, cuz. Get him to 1 billion subscribers, Mr. Beast.
Okay, let's go, Mr. Beast. Let's show them our hits.
Let's go. This is amazing. One of all these sales at the Nintendo.
Yeah.
And Trippy, because the March is on sale for $50.
Yeah, guys, we just have
Mr. Beast!
Oh my gosh, Mr. Beast! Hey guys, we are gonna do 24-hour challenge. Wait, what?
Yeah, I want to play Pokemon Go for 24 hours.
No, we aren't. We're gonna try to make YouTube videos for 24 hours.
Okay, Mr. Beast!
Yeah, Mr. Beast always wins. No one else does. Alright, guys. Let's go downstairs to win. Come on.
Let's go, Mr. Beast! Mr. Beast!
Yeah! Yo, Mr. Beast! What's the taste? What's today's sponsor of the video?
The sponsor is Honey.
Yeah, so easy. Everyone knows Honey.
I'm Mr. Beast!
Yo, let me show me. Hello, Daddy.
Hello.
Hey, Belly. This is Belly. This is Belle. Oh. This is Belle.
Okay, let's go down my mansion because I'm Mr. Beast!
Yeah.
Mr. Beast!
Did you show our cat, Belle? Show our dog.
I'm Mr. Beast!
So we're not ready for 12 hours? Good. Oh my god, I was about to say.
Where is our...
That was like so hard. So like be in a car for 12 hours. It's hard to be in a car for 12 hours.
See, this is our cat, our other cat.
Is that what we're doing?
This is our other cat. Yes,
Okay.
we'll sit outside.